I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. I've seen it.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making traditional Trinidad plum jam. These are the ingredients you will need: bandhania, garlic, vanilla essence, red food coloring, sugar, cinnamon, and plum. Firstly, I will start by making cuts along the surface of the plum. This helps to soften the insides of the plum when it is boiling, and also to allow the jam sauce to soak into the plum. Cover the plums with water and boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Let the plum boil for 15 to 20 minutes. This is how the plum would look once boiled. The skin starts to peel away from the cuts made. Strain the plum and then add it back to the same pot that it was boiling in, and add 1/4 cup of water. Add a 1/2 cup of sugar. Roughly chopped bandhania, chopped garlic, 1 cinnamon stick, vanilla essence, and red food coloring. Mix all the ingredients together and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. I tasted my jam for sweetness, and it wasn't sweet to my preference, so I went ahead and I added 1/4 cup of sugar. It all depends on the sweetness you would prefer the jam to be, so you can adjust the sugar to your likeness. This is how the jam looks after cooking for 30 minutes. It has a bright, rich red color and tender. All the ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.